Hi, this is Doc Mountain, and I want to show you how you can actually upload content to your YouTube channel. So here we go. If let's say you had actually clicked where you had clicked on one of the files on your phone, and you clicked on the option share. So you have to choose where you want to share the video. Is it on Instagram? Is it on WhatsApp? Is it Facebook? So our interest is to upload the video to YouTube. So here we go. I'm gonna go by YouTube, and here we go. The moment we are in, check this one out. So I'd logged in with the other account, which is the channel where I teach physics and math from. So we need to change, because my interest is to upload that video to a different channel where I specifically teach people how to do one or two things. So here we go. So I need to change. I click at the bottom here. Okay, so we go where it says, okay, we switch to digital creator. So now I can go back to where I was. Okay, so now I can click other, then click the YouTube icon. So here we go, we are here. Now the thing is, you have to punch in the title. So the title has to be captivating. So it's a how to upload content to your YouTube channel. Of course, here it's advisable that you happen to make use of hashtags. So hashtags make it easy for people to locate your content online. So here we go. I'm gonna say Popo Live. Okay, Popo Live. Let me do this. Oh my god, I have to change this. It has to be a how to quit agency on Popo Live. That's what the video is all about. So the title has to match the content of the video. Okay, how to quit agency on Popo Live. Okay, so now here we go. When you are typing the hashtags, you don't need to space up the word. So say Popo Live. And you can also punch in this Popo Live agency. Okay, so we can now go to description. This is where you tell people what you are actually teaching people about. So you go like, okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to quit an agency on Popo Live. You can also bring in the hashtags Popo Live agency. Yeah, so how to quit agency on Popular. On Popular, so now we're done. You can actually type in as many words as you can here. So you can go on and talk about Popular. Is a Popular is an earning app. Is an earning app where people make lots of money by interacting with other people. I think that's enough. From here now we can go on and choose a playlist to which we can add that video. So add it to the playlist which is specifically for Popular. Then we can also add on tags. So tags actually help people to locate your videos. So you have to type in keywords here, and you have to put yourself in the shoes of people who actually get to YouTube just to search for specific things. So you go like how to quit agency on Popular. On Popular. Here you can space up words, but you need to punch the comma as soon as you are done with the sentence. So you can say Popular, comma, and I say Popular agency, comma. Then from here, I think now if you want, you can now bring in the thumbnail. You know, a thumbnail is simply a picture which is so captivating, and it actually entails what the video is all about. So it's always advisable that you actually prepare this thumbnail separately and you happen to have it on your phone. So if I want, I can look for a pic which is specifically showing Popular. So let me just look around here and see if I have any picture specifically on Popular. I seem not to have any. Let me check around. OG, Telegram, camera, thumbnail. Okay, here we go. I have one here. Okay, so if I'd actually prepared it professionally, it would have had some titles reading that how to quit agency on Popular. But since I'm just speaking a picture that I downloaded from the internet, we can go by this for the sake of just demonstrating how you do these things. Okay, so from here we are set. We can now hit upload and the video will start uploading. So that's how we do it. As simple as this. As simple as this.